today I want to talk about our new Rōnin Gatorz collaboration Magnum Ballistic Transitional Combat Glasses. Now, these glasses I'm really excited about, guys. We had a lot of positive feedback on it. We did have some questions. Like a lot of my followers asked me too, what do you look for in, like ballistic glasses? During my time in the Special Forces, I looked for certain things within, eye protection. It had to be, not just functional on a shooting range. It also had to be functional on every phase of, the Special Force mission. That was a lot, infiltration, movement, CQB, close quarters, raids, so a lot of those things, I look for in these glasses. So the first thing that I look for is, just the fit of the glasses. I have high cheekbones as an Asian, so it has to seal around my eyes. The eye protection has to wrap completely around my eyes, not just the front. It has to wrap completely around my eyes for any fragmentations or anything that we come across during, explosive entry or, shotgun entry. The temple of the glasses, it has to be really thin. We have ear protection, we have helmets that we put on, and a lot of that squishes the temple area, and that can cause, a lot of issues. Obviously, the UV protection I look for, but I also look for a transitional capability in a lens. So that means the lens can go clear. Once it hits sunlight, it goes into a UV protection for your eyes. And then once you move back into, let's say a structure of a house, then it goes back clear. Really important in the military to have that capability. So while working with Gatorz, we came up with a Ronin collaboration piece. And this piece was really interesting because we had a lot of positive feedbacks on it. But when designing these glasses with Gatorz, I asked them to first solve all the issues that I identified first, with the really thin temple area, with the ballistic protection that wraps around the side of the face, with my high Asian cheekbones, has a proper seal for, Asian fit. It also fits regular face as well, but it fits my high cheekbones. So it has the ballistic protection. It stops 725 beats per second projectiles. It's anti-fogging coating on these glasses, so huge for close quarters combat when you enter and you're doing that high intensity shooting. And it has UV 400 protection, so it has that sunglasses protection once you step out into the sunlight. So check it out at Gatorz.com. They do have limited stock now. It's been a huge success in these glasses, as in, we had a lot of positive feedback, guys, and a lot of support on these glasses. So go to Gatorz.com and get your glasses today. It comes in a Ronin maintenance kit, so it has a maintenance anti-fogging spray, and it also has a guiselet that seals around the face with a drawstring, so it seals the glasses, you're conducting, helo operations or free fall. So go check them out, Gatorz.com, and get your Rōnin Gatorz collaboration Magnum transitional ballistic glasses today. Take care, guys. God bless.